All right, for example 3, instead of having a bunch of shapes pushed together and all shaded in, what we have is one shaded shape with another shape inside of it that's not shaded. So to find just the shaded area, what we have to do is do the square minus that circle that is inside of it so that we can find just the area that is shaded. So the first part is we need our square area, and the area of a square is your base times your height. So my base is 8, my height is 8, so 8 times 8 gives us an area of 64. To find that circle, my circle formula is pi r squared, where r is the radius of my circle. It goes from the center of my circle to the side of my circle. It is exactly half of my diameter. The diameter is all the way across the circle. So if all the way across the circle is 8, half of that will be 4. So this will be pi 4 squared. Your phones do have a pi button if you turn it sideways, so you can still just use that pi button, or you can always use 3.14 and then do 4 squared. And you should get 50.27 as the circle area. We're not quite done because we just want that shaded region, so that means we need to do our 64 minus that 50.27, and when you do that, you get a total area that's shaded of 13.73, and the units that they used was feet, and again, because we're still dealing with area, it will be feet squared.